guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm going to show you guys how I created this black and gold ombre nail set. So the first thing we're going to go ahead and start off with is this Glitterbels Golden Brownies acrylic powder, and it has like these little gold shimmers in there. I think it's so cute. So I decided to do a set with this because I feel like it's festive. It could be like fall or even Christmas kind of nails. So I'm just going in, you guys, and applying a bead to the nail. And y'all, excuse my application because there's absolutely nothing wrong with this acrylic. Just the way the camera is and how it's set up, I have to hold the nails a certain way. So I'll be messing up, but nonetheless, the nails are still gonna come out cute. So what I'm doing is applying the acrylic to the bottom portion of the nail and just patting that into place, not wiping off any of the acrylic. So as you guys can see, I'm not really wasting a lot of product, even though the application isn't perfect. So I'm just going in and patting it and molding it to the nail tip because I don't want it to be too wonky to where I'm gonna have to do too much work to get it fixed. So I'm just fixing it while the bead is still wet and getting it around the nail. Alright, y'all, so now on this nail, I'm going to be doing the same thing, applying the bead. And on this nail, I didn't know whether I wanted to do like the full nail in this color, and I didn't want it to be too dark. So I decided to just go in with a really light and wet bead to kind of spread it just so that the base could be a little bit gray and still show a little bit of the glitter because I want to do some type of encapsulated design on this nail. So I just went in and I'm just applying it to this nail and dragging it towards the bottom. Not doing too much because we're going to do a design, so I don't need it to be super duper dark or waste any product because I know I'm going to put something on it. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing to the next two nails. Cover about 2/3 of the whole entire nail just so that we can get the ombre started. And y'all, let me just make this a disclaimer. This channel is not for perfection, so my application is not the best. It's not, it's realistic, especially like if you're a beginner or learning nails or trying new designs and stuff like that. It doesn't matter, y'all. You can still get good quality nails without like the perfect application. It comes with practice, so don't overwhelm yourself. Like, I haven't done nails in a couple of years, so if you basically don't use it, you lose it. So I'm kind of learning everything with you guys again, if you know what I mean. Like, I'm just getting back into being passionate about nails and wanting to do them. And I'm like a nail enthusiast. I do it for fun. I just like, I'm a DIY type of girl. Like, I like to learn everything, hair, nails, makeup. I just want to learn how to do it all. So this is just what this page is about. Just learning how to do different designs, having fun with it, being creative. It's not to be perfect or anything. So If you on my page looking for that, this is not the page for you, y'all. I'm telling you, I'm just doing what I feel is best and then trying to get the best results at the end. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing with the pinky, y'all. Just get that onto 2/3 of the nail, pat the sides to get it to be on the tip or the shape of the tip as good as possible, and then we'll shape it and fix it at the end, y'all. There's no perfect way. I'm being realistic with y'all. Everything takes practice. So I'm going in with Cover Blush by JC Beauty Concepts. Y'all, I use this color a lot. It's my favorite type of nude. I just feel like it goes with every skin tone. So I really, really love it. I'm going in with a nice size bead because I want to cover like that line of demarcation where the ombre begins and ends. So I'm just going in there and I'm going to go ahead and just drag it down. And then I'm going to go up and continue doing the same thing. So you guys are going to see that. And I'm just blending it with the bottom of my brush. And it may look crazy, but once it gets encapsulated and everything, it's going to look nice. So don't worry about that. You just want to get as many strokes into the bottom area as possible because you don't want it to look obviously like it's not ombre properly. So you just want to go in and then the brush is going to create those nice hairbrush strokes for you at the end of the nail or towards the end. So that's what I'm doing here, y'all. Just dragging it down, trying to cover up that line where the black acrylic starts, and I'm just going to keep doing the same thing and work my way up. So now I'm going in with the final bead towards the cuticle area, just pushing that up into the cuticle, and then I'm going to drag it down. And then no worries, you guys, the nail may look really super duper flat, but we're going to encapsulate everything, so you should be fine. I'm not going in with a lot of the powder because I know that I'm going to encapsulate it, and this is a practice hand, so I don't have to put that much acrylic or build a super duper high apex. I could just go in with the encapsulation and build the nail from there because I don't want to waste my covered powder. Like, I don't want to waste anything. So yeah, so I'm going into the index finger and doing the same thing, y'all, just dragging it. And I'm using a pretty wet bead so I can actually move the acrylic to where I need it to go and then do the ombre effect how I want it to go, y'all. So with this, I suggest doing as many beads as you feel like doing. I'm not like a 1 or 2 bead type of person. I can do 3 or 4 just to get the look that I want to get based off of my own preference, but you could do it how you want to do it. This just works for me. It looks nice when I do it like this, and I can get, like, you know, a good blend or fix whatever problems I had previously. So I do the same thing over and over, y'all. Go in with another bead, spread it out, and then just brush it going down to just cover up that line of demarcation. And then when you encapsulate it, you're going to see that it looks really nice and it looks ombre. And this is kind of a hard color to do too. Like, when you're doing really super duper dark colors like black and stuff like that, it's not going to come as easy as if you're doing like a pink or an orange or a yellow. So you want to keep that in mind too. And as you guys can see, I'm on the 3rd bead, but I'm not going too high up on the cuticle with it because I'm going to apply one more bead just so I could get a bit more coverage on the dark areas of this nail. So y'all, don't try to be perfect or go by specific rules. Do what works for you. And as you guys can see, like, I was able to get, you know, that demarcation area covered a little bit more, and then I'm going to do one more bead to get, like, you know, the cuticle area, but y'all see it is coming along. Okay, so now I'm going in with the color Desert Crush, and this is a glitter powder by Glitterbels. And y'all, on my channel, y'all are gonna see a lot of Glitterbels. I absolutely love them. Like, I love their acrylic powder. So this is Desert Crush, and it's so stunning. I'm just gonna go ahead and go onto that nail with it and kind of spread it out just to make the glitter pop a little bit more on this nail. And as you guys can see, it didn't look like I applied a lot of acrylic, but once it dried down, it kind of darkened the nail. That's why I didn't really use that much of the golden brownie acrylic. But I'm just spreading that out, y'all, to kind of cover the nail up, just to give it, you know, a little bit more glitter, because I just love glitter. And I'm just spreading that as much as I can, and I used a really wet bead just to make sure I can get everything spread out. So you just need a teensy bit of acrylic powder or the glitter powder, and it's gonna move, y'all. Y'all can see it shifting and everything. Alright, and now I'm going in with this glitter Royalty, and this is also by Glitterbels. Look at them next to each other, y'all. Oh my god, so freaking gorgeous. So I'm going in with that one as well, and I'm trying to see where I want to apply it. So I decided to just go in that upper corner and just apply it there, because I want to add some more things to this nail, and I didn't want to apply that all over the nail either. So I'm just putting it in the upper corner and spreading that out gently. Alright, so now I'm going in with a little bit at the bottom corner area and just getting that so that when I move the nails around in the light and stuff like that, you can kind of get a little bit more dimension, and it just looks cute. So now I'm going in with these foils, and I decided to choose like the orange one and the gold one, and I'm going to cut them into little small pieces and basically mix them up and apply them to the nail. So now I'm just taking some with just a wet monomer brush. I'm just applying it to the corner, and I just have monomer on the brush, y'all. It's going to adhere to the nail, and the monomer that's on the brush is going to make it be able to move around and just stay on the nail, so you won't have to worry about that. So I'm just applying it towards the cuticle area, just to give it a little vibe or whatever. And I think it's looking so cute already. I love the color, it's so different. And I rarely get to use like the reddish orange foil, so I was happy I got to use it in this set. So I'm just applying it, moving the nail around so I can kind of gauge and look and see how it's gonna look, and then I'll be back. Alright, so I applied some of the foil to the bottom of the nail, and I think I'm going to go towards the middle after that to kind of get it added. And I'm mixing in between the gold and like that orangey color, moving it around to my liking, y'all. So that's what I like about the foils. You can definitely move it and manipulate it as much as you need to get the type of look that you're going for. Y'all, my camera was not recording, but now I'm encapsulating all of the nails, and after that we're gonna go ahead and shape them, file them, and then to the fun part, applying the crystals. Alright y'all, so now I'm using my Swarovski crystals and I'm just going to be applying them. I had no specific look in mind. I was just like, these are pretty big and I need to make them work. And y'all, so by the time I started applying the nail gems and everything, I was like, why am I doing this design on this finger? But I just continued and I was like, thank God this is a practice hand, because I'm definitely going to switch these out and put this bling nail on the index finger. So I just did it and I'm just applying the different sizes and colors and moving them around and kind of moving the nail around to kind of see if I like how it looks. And y'all, this is so cute to me. Like, it just looks like luxury to me. Swarovskis just shine like no other, y'all. I love them. And I'm so happy to be incorporating them into my nail designs, because I just had them sitting here collecting dust. Because as you guys know, I don't do nails on clients. And it's due to like asthma. It's not like for a specific reason. So I just like doing nails at my leisure, just as a hobby, just for fun. And I do it for my friends and family too sometimes. But I'm going in with top coat, y'all. And I'm just applying the top coat. And y'all, the thing is top coated. Why am I still going? Like, I'm just addicted to seeing the glitter. I think that's the problem. So I decided to switch the nail. So I put this on the index finger and I'm going in with the top coat around the nail. And the more that I was top coating it, I was like, I need to add a couple more crystals to it. So I decided to just add 2 more, and I feel like that gave me like the extra oomph that I was looking for, and it made it just come through all the way and really look luxurious and super, super cute and nice. So I was happy I made that last minute decision. But these are the final nails. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel and comment down below which nail was your favorite. And I have more content coming, y'all, so y'all be sure to subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!